Hey guys, it's Mrs. Saucetta. I wanted to show you how to complete your work if you missed October 14th. So you would go, of course, to 1014, and there's actually only one thing on here for you to do, and it's a Google slide with your that says copy of what we have learned. That's what you're going to click on, a Google slide, copy of what we have learned. So this is a collaborative slide. We've done these before. So this means that it's really important that you are not editing any other slide other than your own slide, okay? That's very important. So you'll see it says find a slide that no one else has started on, add 3 descriptions/images of things you have learned so far this year. Make sure to add your name. So there's a lot of examples that you can look at. So if you need some inspiration, take a look at your classmates. And then a couple open slides that you could work on would be slide 20, 24, 29, 31, 32, 33. Okay, so we still have plenty of slides open. You'll find your slide. Put your name on here. My name is, so I'd put my name is Angelique. 3 things I've learned. I want you to do this in full sentences. I learned how seeds disperse. Okay, so full sentence. I learned how seeds disperse. So give me 3 full sentences, and then after you give me your 3 full sentences, you're going to insert an image. So since you talked about seed dispersal, then you would go search the web, and maybe you want to look up a dandelion because they use wind dispersal. So you'll do 3 descriptions in full sentences, and then 3 pictures that relate to your description, okay? If you have any questions about how to do this, just comment on the assignment, and I'll get back to you.